It is remarkable to observe that in 2021, baby boomers who were born during that period are still the most highly populated age group in the country.
Canada is facing a population problem as more people are preparing to enter retirement age and more young people are waiting to have kids. It's part of the first batch of data released as part of Census 2021, which shows that Canada's largest population cohort is still baby boomers.
As the number and the share of people between age 55 and 64 who are close to retirement, usually, among this population, this working age population, 15 to 64, has never been that high.
Despite all this, Canada still has one of the youngest populations among G7 nations, but will need to plan for what happens when this large cohort retires. Some may have already quit the job market early, and StatsCan says that can't be discounted when talking about Canada's labor shortage.
There are very large implications of this situation, and it is certainly one factor explaining the current labor shortages that Canada is experiencing.
Right now, this census showed that between 55 and 64, about 1 in 5 of those people are actively preparing to retire. That's a lot because that's still prime earning years. So if we're thinking about that, that is a high number. And that outweighs the number of people entering the workforce completely.
Laura Tamblin-Watts is with CanAge, a seniors advocacy group. She says Canada urgently needs a national aging strategy. Some people will need to work beyond 65, and more people must enter industries associated with senior care.
Right now, we are already short of that, and we're only going to get shorter unless we do a lot to promote that area.
For a preview of the future, Canada can look to Japan. 1 in 4 Japanese are currently over 65, but Japan has a comprehensive aging strategy, which includes long-term care insurance, postal workers monitoring the health of elderly at home, employment programs for seniors, and a robust transit system aimed at keeping seniors connected without a car.
We're really bad at that in Canada. So we've been cutting back on trains. The Greyhounds are gone, and we need to have a solution that will let people get from place to place without driving.
That first batch of data from Census 2021 is online now, and you can see the figures for yourself on the Stats Canada website. In Ottawa, Xiaoli Li, City News.